Okay, so you remember this communication control wire. This was actually the first thing I think that came through the wall. Now we're going to connect this. So what this does is it connects the outside unit with the inside unit. The inside unit actually gets its power from the outside unit, so you don't need a separate plug for the inside unit. So it gets its power, and there's a communication board in here, a printed circuit board that communicates with the inside unit. Basically, this unit tells the inside unit what to do. So, by the way, this step, if you look at the standard install, there's a lot going on behind this panel in terms of the wiring that was required, and there's a lot of wiring that's required on the inside unit, and we've done all that for you, such that all you need to do. There's one of these, it will only go in one way, but one of these pins is longer than the other ones, and it's hard to tell which one it is, but it doesn't matter because you just keep twisting until it inherently goes forward. And then on the black ring here, twist that, and it's connected. And this step is done.